How to remove PNG background. Click to unlock layer. Click Image and Adjustment. Click Brightness. You need adjust size of the color. Now the background changed to white color. Next click Select. And choose Color Range. In Select choose Shadows. And Selection Preview click choose Grayscale. After adjust the size of color. Click OK. Next click Create the new layer. Hide the first layer. Set the blur color. And press key Alt plus Delete. If you want to hide select you need press Ctrl plus D. With this sharing is finished. Thank you for love sharing.